All right, guys, we got 2020 Dodge Charger SRT 392. We just did a simple mid-muffler delete, but we got new tips in from the Tommy, so I wanted to show you guys. So factory converters up there and there, factory out through here, X pipe. Now there's the mid-mufflers that we cut off right there, and then out the back right there. So then these are the new tips that we got from a Tommy, like the factory bolts on. So you guys can order them online and then put them on yourself if you wanted to, right there and right there. And these are white. They also have them in black, red, I believe stainless. They have a bunch of different colors online, but there they are right there. So this is the first set of white tips we put on a Charger with the mid delete as well. Let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392, 6.4 liter Hemi V8. Got stock converter right there and right there into a stock X pipe. And what we did is a mid muffler delete and a rear resonator delete right there and right there. And installed 5-inch black exhaust tips, making it completely straight pipes. Here's the old mufflers we cut off, the rear ones and the mid. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. And as always, guys, be sure to subscribe.
All right, guys, 2019 Charger Hemi 6.4 liter Scat Pack. It is $392. You guys can see right there what we got done on her. So it's got a factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we took it off from there all the way back with a whole bolt-on system by AWE. It's an H-pipe system right there. There's the H-pipe. It bolts on right there. Then there's the mid-mufflers that come on this beautiful beast there and there. Then it's full 3-inch system bent all the way back there and there into some massive 4.5-inch tips to complete the look. Black. The parts number on this system is 301533126. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys, okay? This is the whole system that was on it that we unbolted and cut in the middle to be able to get it out. And it does come with a valve delete system. The valve deletes are right there and there. So we just zip tie them away. So they just hang out, chilling, doing nothing. And it is the track edition, okay? So should be pretty loud. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
So this is the 2020 Charger. We just did a mid-muffler delete, but I want to show you guys what the white tips look like. It looks crazy, to be honest with you, especially on camera. Go ahead. Nice sound decibels.
Sound decibels. It's 120. That's you, Dave. All right, go and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust right here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you have any questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. There's our sign. If you go past it, you've gone too far. Get yourself sounding good. We get people from all over the country, from Pittsburgh, from Maine, from Florida. Bring your car down here. We'd be happy to help. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Does that make your day?
Yes, sir.
Listen to this beast. Your sound decibels? You hit 122 earlier. Doesn't believe it. Perfect pop. So I always recommend the AWE system. Always get the track edition because if you don't, it's a little quiet. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. It's really cold here, guys. It's only 30 degrees. That's why it's. That's perfect. There's idle. I think he likes it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.
Charger SRT, mid-muffler lead, and then we did the white tips on it.
'19 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, 392, 6.4 liter Hemi, straight pipes with 5-inch black exhaust tips. Is it possible to beat a Hemi? Honest question. Oh man, I love it. Only at exhaust addicts, guys.
Scat Pack AWE system. You guys ready to see the drive off? Let's see. a beast. Enjoy, guys.